Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is our March Floerns haul slash review slash try on video that I do once a month. I am so excited for warmer weather, for spring, summer. I love sunny, warm days. Today, the high is like 73 and in Florida, 73, sun shining is fantastic. I am sharing today 5 dresses that are going to get you ready for spring slash summer, and I am so excited. It will be March 3rd by the time this video comes out. Let me stop rambling and let's get into it. Now, this first dress is a off the shoulder, like one shoulder on, one shoulder off, with this cute little knot tie detail that has these extra strips of fabric hanging down. Very girly, very flirty, perfect for spring, summer. This is an A-line dress. It should hit right above your knees. It is not double lined, so you're gonna need to make sure that you are wearing nude color undergarments so that you don't see through it. This is so comfortable, very stretchy, and I'm pretty sure this comes in several colors. Next up is this really cute, adorable floral dress. I love this style of dress during the warmer weather. These are so easy to wear. The top part, the bodice part, is all stretch. It's all elastic. I personally do not have to wear a bra with these type dresses, and it makes me so happy. We have adjustable straps. The skirt portion is really flowy, and look at how beautiful these flowers are with the contrast of the black fabric in the background. So perfect for warmer weather. I'm telling you, I cannot wait. Next up is like a tropical oasis paradise type vibe. So cute. This is a one shoulder with a bell sleeve. Steven and I went to the beach for Valentine's Day, and I wore this. It was very sunny. It felt very nice. I think it was like 68, 69 degrees outside, but still the sun was shining, and it felt fantastic outside. I love this dress. It's so cute. If you're going on like a cruise or if you're at a resort and you can't go into the restaurants with just your swimsuit, these type dresses come in clutch. All you have to do is throw it on top of your swimsuit and you're good to go. Or you could save it for an evening, like a dinner out on a balcony or a deck. This is going to be so cute at the ocean or at the pool. Now, if your style swings a little more edgy, a little more goth, a little more alt, don't worry, I haven't forgotten you. This is a Gothic style high neck lace A-line dress. The top across the shoulders and the sleeves are completely mesh. We have elastic at the wrist with this little flare detail. In the front, we have this little black ribbon bow. So adorable, very girly. And then in the back, we have this mesh tie. The front and the back are completely open, and then we have this little ruffle detail that goes all the way around the top, around the neck. So Victorian and like Gothic style. It is not double lined. I think that you could wear this both in spring and in the fall and even in the winter time by pairing it with a pair of like black tights or even colored tights and some black Mary Janes. I think that would be just adorable. Last but not least, this one again kind of swings a little bit edgy but also a little bit sexy. This is a slip dress style with this lace detail that cuts down in the front and along the sides with these 2 extra strips of fabric. I know it just doesn't look like much right here. I will try it on, so stay tuned here in just a minute. I will do a try on portion. Also, I do want to mention the straps on this are not adjustable, and it does come down kind of low. I would say it even may kind of run a little big. I'm pretty sure I ordered everything in a medium, and this was a smidge on the big side, like hanging down this way and down the back. But it's still really, really cute, and I think that you could wear this on a date night. I think that that would be just so sexy with a pair of black strappy heels and a little clutch. I think that would be just so cute. And that is it for today's video. What did you think? I hope that you enjoyed this video. Which was your favorite piece? Let me know. Also, let me go try these clothes on and show you how they fit and how they look on me. I weigh roughly 150 pounds and I'm 5'5". And enough rambling, let's get into it.